glad he didn't have to go through it.
Yeah, me too. I'm glad for it. And this building here, like I said, this is the headquarters here. This is where all the men got paid and everything.
Yeah.
They send the money back home to the wives and kids. There's nothing here. There's no houses, nothing. So they all live in the barracks and stuff. Now behind here, they built 40 houses just for the teachers and doctors and everybody to live in. Now here's the co-op here. This is what it looks like here.
That's what used to be the store.
Yeah, this is the company store right here. That's what you sold to right there.
Okay.
You come up, that's where you get your flyer and your sugar. These little coupons they give you, that's how they kept up what you owed them.
Yeah, that's what you get.
They have
They
little
do the rice
in
and
there.
beans.
Now if you saw walking the line, the sawmill scene film, this little building right here on the corner right here. They had the tracks out like Hollywood for about 3 or 4 days with cameras rolling in and out. If a bird chirped, or dog barked, or plane or tractor made noise, they'd stop and start all over again. I mean, it was the same thing over and over for 3 or 4 days.
Yeah, that's what they do when they film.
Same scene over and over and over again.
Continue on Main Street for a half mile.
Now, was that one building an old jail at one point?
No, that was the vault. That's where they kept all the money at.
Oh, okay.
They got paid and stuff. That was
Okay, so it was a bank. Okay.
So we couldn't find the door up, so we made that look like a jail cell.
Okay.
I think Johnny went to prison and stuff, but he never spent any time in prison.
Yeah.
He went to jail a time and took the drugs and stuff, and never spent time in prison. He don't get out of it.
Okay.
Now this community center here, this way performed in 1968. The wood you saw down the hallway and the counter and everything came out of the floor is right there.
You get in newcomers now, or they're most of them just people been here.
What's that?
People moving in.
Some of the ones that did live here, some of them coming back.
Yeah.
You know, but we still way down on people's population wise. And you know, I was telling you, this all one they dug all these ditches. This is one of the ditches here they dug. You go just straight across the colony. Every 20 acres they dug a ditch over in it. That's how they got the water out of the swamps out there and stuff. And this river here, Mother Nature made this one. You see the crooks and curves and stuff, it's like a little snake. Over on the second bend, that's what they call the blue hole. That's what kids went swimming and skinny dipping and baptized on the same little spot.
Well, now,
Not at the same time, but the same little spot over there.
what's the crops? Cotton and rice?
Mostly rice now, through here, rice and soybeans.
Rice and soybeans.
This is all rice here last season.
Yeah.
Looked like that field's been plowed up, but what it did, get on a muddy day like this, it'll go there and pull a roller around, got these little fingers on there, and it pushes all the straw back into the ground. When it comes springtime, people will plant soybeans through there. You probably want it plowed up again, he just want to plant it straight through there. But, all this GPS and satellites and all this stuff here, you don't have the pitch guards to take off through there. Maybe a pole or well, something out in the middle of the field, they can program it in that piece of equipment. They'll go up here and stop. You have to tell which way to go around and push your button and take off again.
Eat your cell phone, then you put it out here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, believe it or not, look at cell service up here.
They do have cell phone power.
Yeah. Oh yeah. See, here's one of the wells here. That's how they flood these fields. One table only about 20 feet deep. They pump the water back on top. That whole field all summer long has to stay flooded out there when they grow that rice. Have to have about 2 to 4 inches of water all summer. And up here at the belt it looks like a lake. It was actually a soybean field last year, and he's got it down up so he can put ducks out there.
That ain't the lake.
No, it's the ducks think it is though. He'll fly in there and duck flying out there.
All these little pumps here pumping water, keeping it irrigated.
Yeah, right here. See, this time of year they don't have to run them. That field stay flooded.
I don't know if the camera's picking them up or not.
There's a guy here down there, this trucker in the middle of the road.
Might be hunting some of them ducks.
Really big. He's gonna park in a bad spot.
Yeah, he did. He took one over out of
He might have got stuck up. Little geese is headed south.
Yeah, those are. And a whole bunch of them.
It's getting
you holding that for?
Yeah, it won't go well if they headed that way. See, here's another well here.
Yeah.
Every 40 acres has a well on it now.
Are those deep wells or artesian wells?
Well, they're deep, well, they're about 30 feet deep.
Okay, artesian.
There used to be some artesian wells around here, but most of them have dried up now. All these farmers are pumping all the water out of the ground. The water table drops. This is one of the original colony homes here.
Yeah.
Of the 500 of them, I think it's like 36 left there. Another well here. One across the road.
Yeah.
Been so muddy, we got the field out here and see a fuel tank and out through here.
Uh-huh.
There's one of those wells.
Destination on your left.
Did you have a good rain last night?
No, it had a little
All this
sprinkle
water,
made it grow.
all this water's from irrigation.
No, it's this old soil. That water be there for a month.
Uh-huh.
So it dries up. Now see this stuff right here, what they call poly pipe.
Yeah.
It's like a big old straw. They take a hook into the well, roll that across into the field. They got holes cut in the side of it,
So it's
and it'll
soaker.
spray water out. And that's how they irrigate the
Big
beans
soaker,
and stuff.
big soaker,
Big soaker pipe. Right?
Yeah.
What it is. I grew up right there where that blue shop is right there.
yeah.
So I got 12 brothers and sisters. So we picked cotton and chopped it and everything else. And ASU wanted me to plant some cotton around the edges right here. So there's 2 rows of cotton planted around the edge right there. I told them I'll plant it, chop it, fertilize it, but I'm not going to pick it. Sit right there, I ain't going to pick the floor.
There's the house.
Yeah. That's the original house right there.